Friends, welcome back to my channel. So who would win in a fight between a Peregrine Falcon and a common BARNOWL? Now we have some information on both of these birds which is important to win in a fight. Number 1, size and wingspan. The maximum height of a Peregrine Falcon is 0.4 meter, the maximum length is 0.6 meter and the maximum wingspan 2.1 meter. Now it is 0.25 meter tall, its length is 0.4 meter and wingspan 0.9 meter. Falcon is clearly larger with larger wingspan. Number 2, weight. The average weight of adult Peregrine Falcon is 1.2 kg and the maximum is up to 1.5 kg. While the average weight of adult common BARNOWL is 0.5 kg, the maximum is up to 0.7 kg. Falcon is clearly heavier on average and maximum weights. Number 3, weapons. Peregrine Falcon has sharp claws and beak as its weapons, while BARNOWL has smaller claws and beak as its weapons. Falcon has better weapons. Number 4, aggression. Peregrine Falcon is more aggressive than common BARNOWL. Falcon gets another point. Number 5, defense. Both has equal defense. Both gets equal points in terms of defense. Number 6, speed. The top speed of adult Peregrine Falcon is 390 km per hour, while the top speed of adult BARNOWL is only 32 km per hour. Falcon is more than 10 times faster. Number 7, agility. Falcon is far more agile than BARNOWL. Falcon gets another point. Number 8, muscle mass. Peregrine Falcon has more muscle mass than BARNOWL. Falcon gets another point. Number 9, stamina. Both birds have more or less equal stamina. Both get equal points in terms of stamina. Number 10, competitors and prey. The diet of Peregrine Falcon are pigeons, ducks, gulls and small mammals, and its competitors are tire falcons, bald-eagles and great horned owls. The diet of common BARNOWL are rodents, young rabbits, lizards and insects, and its competitors are great horned owls. Falcon has better hunting and fighting experience. Number 11, fight. Now it's time to decide who would win in a fight between a Peregrine Falcon and a common BARNOWL. The advantages of Falcon are its size, weapons, aggression, speed, agility, muscle, fighting and hunting skills, while BARNOWL has no clear advantage. Both has equal defense and stamina. Seeing the advantages is assuming that Falcon has 70% chance, but in my opinion, a Peregrine Falcon has easily 95% chance to win against a common BARNOWL, because the owl, even being very close to the Falcon in size, lacks strength and retractable claws. So Falcon easily wins this battle. Thanks for watching. If you want, then you can subscribe my channel, but don't forget to like and comment.